got an extra battery right there.
Still gotta hook it up.
Still gotta hook it up?
Yeah, I messed up one of the...
Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
So what's in here, man?
I got a ZV4 on the CT Sounds 1400.
What size?
15.
15. Okay. Trunk build. Did you build the box?
Yeah, the 28.
Tuned to 28 hertz. All right.
I'm playing something a little bit lower.
Okay. Yeah, man.
In the morning, not a soul in sight. The city's looking like a ghost town on a moonlit summer night. Raindrops on the windshield, there's a storm moving in. He's heading back from somewhere that he never should have been. And the thunder rolls. Pacing by the telephone and her feet flattering down, asking for a miracle, hoping she's not right, praying it's the weather that's kept him out all night.
Appreciate it, man. Can I see the back real quick?
Sure.
All right. Nice. And you got an extra battery right there.
Still gotta hook it up.
Still gotta hook it up?
Yeah, I messed up one of the terminals.
Okay. That'll help though. How's your electrical right now, voltage wise?
I'm sitting at around 14 with stock alternator.
Yeah.
On big 3.
Okay. That helps. Appreciate it, man.
Well,
What was your name?
Eric.
Eric. Jacob.
Perfect.
You gon' find him in the John John, ride a nigga way. You too hard, no stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drive off this way. Doing all these shows, I been on the road. I don't care what I do, long as I get paid. Bad little fight, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she get straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made. You too hard, no stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drive off this way. Doing all these shows, I been on the road. I don't care what I do, long as I get paid. Bad little fight, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.